that can provide value to the organization aside from this table stakes tech that's there? Like, could you give me maybe a rundown of what's available?
Yeah, there's a handful of things that are paramount to be really successful, not just to be able to work, but to actually succeed. I think one of the biggest ones is actually called deflection, right? The ability to have interactions get routed away from agents. Derek talked about how these agents are getting burned out. They're getting yelled at, and they're in this isolated environment. So if there are ways that we can route traffic away from agents, whether that's through a bot or whether that's through some sort of automated process, if it's low-hanging fruit that an agent doesn't need to personally be responsible for, let's talk about ways to deflect those transactions away, if for no other reason than I want to simplify the experience for what the agent has to go through.